Basic AC headlight wiring diagram and color coding, commonly used on Honda old models /underbone /TMX XRM AC type. AC headlight wiring, basic diagram. From the stator, AC. White to the regulator, charging. Yellow to the regulator and to the dimmer/light switch. At the light switch, low beam white, high beam blue. To the headlight bulb, ground or negative green. Color coding, Honda, common. Wire color, function. Yellow AC power from the stator, for the headlight. White, low beam. Blue, high beam. Greeny ground/negative. Black, switched power, battery, not for AC headlight. Brown, park/tail light. Blue/white, high beam indicator, instrument panel. Important notes. AC headlight comes directly from the stator, it does not pass through the battery. Engine off equals no headlight. Green is always ground on Honda. Do not connect the yellow wire to the battery, because it is AC, it can damage the bulb or regulator. Wrench testing tip. Use a multimeter, AC volts. Yellow to green about 12 to 30 VAC depending on RPM. White/blue voltage present when the switch is on. This is the schematic wiring diagram showing the main parts: the battery that allows the motorcycle to run and power the lights, the stator coil is the main source of electricity, the regulator that controls the voltage, the switch for on and off, the fuse box, the dimmer switch for high beam and low beam, and the headlight.